Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding photos to your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your phone, open up the Galaxy Wearable app and tap on Watch Settings. Then select Manage Content. Tap Add Images. Then select the images that you would like to add to your watch and tap Done in the top right. Wait for the images to send to your watch. To view the images, swipe up from the bottom of your watch screen to open the Apps menu. Then tap on the gallery icon. You can see your images here. If you hold down on an image, you can delete it by tapping the trash icon. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.